Hi, good morning. We're team number one, and we're going to talk about lean manufacturing. We're going to start with the definition of what is lean manufacturing.
Here we have the definition. Lean manufacturing is a management system that seeks to improve the efficiency and quality of production. It is based on the elimination of waste and activities that do not add value. Here we have some characteristics. Focuses on continuous improvement based on the elimination of waste, aims to achieve the right thing at the right time, seeks to be flexible and open to change, aims to produce and supply based on customer demand.
We have the principles of lean manufacturing. We have five of them. It's value stream mapping, pull system, value flow, and Kaizen. We're going to start with value stream mapping. Identify and map all the steps in the value stream of the production process from raw materials to the final product delivered to the customer. Pull system. Implement a pull production system where customer demand pulls the where the customer demand pulls the production through the production process. This means producing only when there is actual demand, helping to reduce inventories and lead times. That's when you go to, I don't know, also, and then you grab something, then someone of the staff just put it another thing, the exact same product. So it reduces as s- space and inventories. We have value that involves understanding what the customer truly values and focusing on efforts and meeting their expectations. We have flow that is to ensure that the production process flows continuously and without interruptions. This involves eliminating bottlenecks and wastes that slow down process and ensuring materials improves more efficiently through the value stream. For the last, we have Kaizen, foster a culture of continuous improvement where all employees from management to production staff actively participate in identifying and eliminating waste, improving processes, and in creating efficiency and quality.
Okay, now we're gonna mention some advantages and disadvantages of lean manufacturing. And well, first I'm gonna mention some of advantages. And well, the first one is that lean manufacturing reduces waste. By this, we mean that lean minimizes unnecessary materials, time, and processes by reducing costs and improving sustainability. Also, it has lower cost by eliminating efficiency. Companies save on inventory, labor, and production, as I already mentioned. It is improved efficiency. The streamlined processes lead to faster production, and cycles are better by the resources utilization. And the last one is that higher product quality, continuous improvement, insurance defects, and it minimized to better quality control. So it's going to be like a better product. And some of the disadvantages that lean manufacturing has is that it has limited error room for error. I'm sorry, with minimal inventory and tight schedules, as I already mentioned. And by this, if a machine fails or something like that, all the production can halt. Also, it's not sustainable for all industries. I mean, not all companies can improve like lean manufacturing or can use lean manufacturing on their industry because it depends on what they need or what they can do with that like material. And also it has like different cultural shift. By this we mean that transforming an organization to align a lean mindset requires significant culture and a lot of change from the workers. And by this we mean that also the employee resistance, the workers may resist changes due to the job loss or increased workload. Is that what I already mentioned? Like transforming an old company can be like difficult because not all people like are like with that mindset. And that's it.
Okay, now I'm going to be talking about some examples of lean manufacturing. The first example is Toyota Production System, or TPS. Toyota uses the just-in-time, or JIT system, which means they only receive materials when they are needed in production. This prevents overstocking, reduces storage costs, and keeps the workflow smooth by eliminating excess inventory. The second example is Kaizen in a hospital. Hospitals use Kaizen, or continuous improvement, to enhance patient care. For example, if there's a delay in patient admissions, staff analyze the process and find the bottlenecks and make changes to reduce wait times and improve efficiency. The third example is 5S in a factory. The 5S method includes sort, set in order, shine, standardize, and sustain, and it helps organize workspaces. This reduces time spent searching for tools, improves safety, and creates a more productive work environment. The fourth example is cellular manufacturing in an assembly plant. Instead of having a large scatter production, floor machines and workers are grouped into small specialized units called cells. This reduces material movement and increases efficiency in assembling components. The fifth example is Kanban in inventory management. This system uses visual signals like handle cards to indicate when materials need replenishment. This prevents excess stock and avoids production delays due to missing supplies. The sixth example is value stream mapping in a supply chain. Companies analyze every step in their supply chain to find waste, and such as unnecessary transportation or long wait times. By eliminating these inefficiencies, they improve delivery speed and reduce costs. The seventh example is single minute exchange of dies, or SMED, in the automotive industry. This method focuses on reducing machine setup times, allowing manufacturers to switch between production tasks faster, which increases flexibility and minimizes downtime. And last, the eighth example is eliminating waste in a software company. Software companies apply lean principles by cutting unnecessary meetings, automating repetitive tasks, and streaming workflows. This helps them complete projects faster without sacrificing quality. And that is all. Thank you for your attention.